Hey y'all, Jan McClay here with Buckles and Boots Line Dancers in the Sandhills of North Carolina. I'm going to teach you one of my newest choreographed dances. It is called Hey Girl, and it's to a song by Ann Wilson called Hey Girl. It is a beginner dance. It's a 64 count, 4 wall, has one easy restart on wall 3 after 16 counts, and it has a really quick 16 count in. So I'm going to teach you each section with telling you what it is and the counts, and at the end we'll put the whole thing together with counts. All right? Okay. Here we go. From the beginning, the first set of 8 is going to be a sugar foot on the right and a sugar foot on the left with holds for counts 4 and 8. All right, it's going to be a toe, heel, stomp, hold, toe, heel, stomp, hold. With the counts, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Second set of 8 is going to be a rock forward on your right, recover on your left, together and hold for count 4, and then you're going to rock back on your left, recover on your right, together and hold for count 6. With the counts, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. The next set of 8 is actually mirrored. We do it on the right and the left, so I'm going to teach you the next 16 counts together, okay? So it's going to be a side step with the tap, side step with the tap, and then side step together, side step, tap. That's 8, and then you're going to mirror it on your left with a turn. So it's going to be side step, tap, side step, tap, side, together, turn, and brush. So let's do that section with counts. Weight is on your left. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, the next set of 8 is a K-step. So you're going to step diagonally on your right, tap your left. Step back to center with your left, tap your right. Step back diagonally with your right, tap your left, bring your left back to center, and tap your right for 8 counts. Let's do that with the counts. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. The next 8 count is actually duplicated twice. So I'm going to teach you the next 16 all together. It's going to be a rocking chair and 2 quarter paddles over your left shoulder. And you're going to do that twice. So it's going to be a rock forward on your right, recover on your left. Rock back on your right, recover on your left. You're going to step your right and paddle, and then you're going to step your right and paddle. And you're going to do that twice. So you're going to rock, recover, rock back, recover, step, paddle, step, paddle. So that's 16 counts. So let's do it with the counts. We would have just come out of our K-step. Our weight is in our left, and we would have tapped our right. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The last set of 8 is a cross rock, recover and hold, and on your right, and then you left, you're going to go cross rock, recover, together and hold for the last set of 8. So it's going to look like this. It's going to be cross your right over your left, and then recover in your left, together and hold, cross your left over your right, recover on your right, together and hold for 8 counts. So let's do that with the counts. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. And that's the end of the dance. So let's do it from the top with all the counts, okay? And then I'll go over the restart with you. So weight is on your left. From the top, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Real quick, those paddles are just kind of turning you softly. They're not hardcore pivots, okay? Just paddles. All right, so that's the dance. On wall 3, so wall 1, wall 2, wall 3, we'll be on wall 3. This is 6 o'clock. Your restart will be after 16 counts. So let me show you what that looks like, okay? From the top, it's 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. And right there is your restart, okay? You just restart the dance over. Okay, so go over and check out the demo video and let me know what y'all think. I hope y'all enjoy it. It's a fun dance. Thank you.